Before starting the video, we are giving away MeTV Box 4K for our subscribers. Link in description. Participate if you're interested. So we choose wired earphones to have good audio quality. And we choose wireless buds to have the best design. What if we want both? Well, that's what I'm talking about. Bullet Z comes with good audio quality, design and additional features. Without any delay, let's get started. So this is the OnePlus box. As you can see, they mentioned the fast charging features here. You will have a name here, and these are the extra features you will get with Bullet Z. Have a look and let's discuss about these features in later part. Price is actually 2000 rupees, but you can get it for 1799 only using the link in description below. Packing is good. Opening the box, you will get the earphones. Let's keep it aside for a while. This might contain USB cable to charge your earphones. Interestingly, it supports fast charging too. OnePlus claims that 10 minutes of charging can give you 10 hours of battery backup, and you'll also get extra ear tips. Build quality is actually excellent. You don't feel cheap, they look very premium, and you also get a volume up, down and a button to control music and to lift calls exactly at the position we want. Magnets in these earphones are very strong too. I can easily recommend it to you all under 2000. I don't notice any con here. You also get the OnePlus branding here, and seriously guys, the build quality is really good. These come with Bluetooth 5.0 version, that means better connectivity. Let me show you the connection. You just need to detach earbuds and connect from device. Once you attach them again, earphones connection will be turned off. You also get the high audio quality option in your phones, which works quite well, and I recommend it to turn on always after my experience. Music quality is really good and sounds loud. I have no issues about the loudness. Not only the music, but also call quality is so clear. Person on the other side has said that the voice is normal and didn't have any noises. But after listening to the good bass containing songs, I felt that they are very low compared to other earphones. They are good but not that great. So if you are a person who listens to bass songs all the time, then this might not be the first option you need to go with. Here is the main feature, low latency mode. I have connected to Bullet's Z here and let's play PUBG. Though OnePlus said that ultra latency works for only OnePlus devices, you can easily play games on non-OnePlus devices too. Other devices. I have seen that many people are confused about this feature, but trust me guys, unless you are a pro gamer or a YouTube streamer, you can easily play games on these. The device I'm using here is Realme XT and it works great for me. I got a gun and set it to single firing mode so that we can listen clearly. Seriously, it works great. I don't see any latency or lag here. I am really enjoying playing with these Bullet Z earphones. One more feature I felt it as so useful is this quick switch option. You can literally change devices within seconds with a single tap. I am connected to the Asus phone, which is right side. So let me double tap to quickly switch devices and see how much time does it take. See, it's connected within seconds. It also says that it's waterproof, so it can resist for the raindrops and sweat. So don't dive into swimming pool, it definitely damages the product. Let's see the ratings according to me, according to my experience. It would be helpful if you like the video. To more content, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Yours Tech and Q.